how to back up everything to USB drive on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So first, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, use your USB drive and the adapter. So I'm going to connect the adapter to the phone, then plug in the USB drive, like so. Okay, and then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, scroll down, and then tap on accounts and backup. Next, tap on external storage transfer. Then tap on USB storage in the backup to section. Okay, make sure you select everything. So this will allow you to back up everything to your USB drive. And tap on next. Here you'll be asked to unlock secure folder. So tap on next. And then unlock it so that we can also back up our secure folder. And here we can back up your chats and data for this app. So WhatsApp cannot be backup, so you need to sync it to the cloud before you erase your device. So tap on next. Here you can choose to keep the screen on or off. So here I will select keep the screen on so I can keep check to see if it has finished or not. Okay, so that is how you can back it up. So once it has finished the backup, just tap on the next button, then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.